What's up, outdoor movement family? Will here. We're red fishing today on the James River. We're east of the Ghost Fleet and it is early September. We'll see what we can do. Stay tuned. But first, we got to throw the cast net and get some bait. All right, boys and girls, folks at home, we're on the board with a pretty speckled trout. Y'all get a look at this. Hold that. That speckled trout on a Berkeley gulp. That's a nice one too. That's like 16, 17 inches. That's a keeper. All right. Give me a slimy 5. No, she said, not today. Oh, no. All right, Harold's got a fish on. Try and land him on the right if you can. We got 2 more lines on the left. Oh, he's going on the left anyways.
I'm trying to keep him off of your line.
Yeah. Oh, it's an old slimy turd wrestler. Yeah. I'm putting this net away.
Yeah, not needed for this one.
Oh well, fish are biting. That's a good sign. Was that on the mullet or the gizzard shad?
The mullet.
Oh well. Good job, Rocket.
Well,
get that catfish out of my way so I don't catch him. New faces on the channel. My family behind me, cousin Robert, his family. Thanks for watching. Like, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Fish on, I got one. There it is, it's a striper. Come to Papa. Striper, all right. Back to the drink, thank you. All right, on the Berkeley gulp. You know what they say, if it ain't chartreuse, it ain't no use. That fish thumped it pretty hard. All right, Harold's on, look at that. Yeah, about 10 more inches, October 1st, game on. Except it's just 1 fish per person.
We're marking fish here, buddy. Marking them.
Good job, Rocket. Yeah. Oh, you didn't share the camera.
Oh, well.
Never mind. Good job, nothing. Oh, it looks like a good one.
Oh, back over the motor. Get him, Mason. You almost got him. Reel it.
What is it?
I see a little bit of gold color.
Oh,
yeah, it is a very cool.
Oh, it's a big old skate. Oh, oh, cool. All right. Hey, good job, Macy.
Get beside the net. Here.
Another striper. Oh, missed him. Dang. We're in the stripers, y'all. Y'all, we are having a ball. It is a beautiful day. We're seeing some dolphins. We've seen 2 bald eagles. Caught a couple of speckled trout. Some striper. Really good to be out. Oh, these little baby rockfish are in here thick as toothpicks in a box. Oh, there's another. Don't be a striper. Be a daggum. Be a speckled. Nope. Another line sider. Come on up here. I got you. That sucker got a mouth full of saltwater assassin. Electric chicken. I'll tell you what, this isn't exactly winning, but it's not losing either. I don't know what it is, but it's a much better fish.
I'm in neutral.
Oh, he's going around the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, be a speckled. Be a speckled. Or be a puppy drum. Oh, it's another striper. Darn, that's a much better fish too.
Deeper there, isn't it?
Yeah, it would be. Come October 1.
Oh, well, we want to net them?
Yeah, yeah. That's the best fish of the day for me.
That thing die anyway.
That's a nice darn striper. Real skinny, long male, I think.
Yep.
All right, off you go. All right, Macy's got another one. What do you think it is, Macy?
It's another little striper.
All right. Oh, Harold's got one. We are on them now. All right.
Some action now.
When you're hot, you're hot. And right now we're burning them up. All right. We're in 4 feet, so we're pretty good on depth. Y'all have heard me say this on so many of my videos. This is what it's all about. Family time, getting outdoors, putting kids on fish. And as you've heard me say before, when you see trash on the ground, pick up behind other litter bugs. Ice bag challenge. All right, guys, a big heartfelt thank you if you've made it this far through the video. Today's been a fun day. Got to take you along with us. We caught striper, catfish, a couple speckled trout. We've seen bald eagles and a turkey. We had dolphins swimming all around the boat. A big thank you to my cousin Robert and his family for having me out on the boat with them today. And I hope you are all well and blessed. We will see you on the next one.